Overview of trading CELER USDT. Trading style: spot. Time frame: midterm. Margin mode: isolated. Signal type: swing trade. Target time frame: about a month between take profits. Entry point: 0.02660 to 0.02946. Take profit targets: Target 1, 0.03978. Target 2, 0.05059. Target 3, 0.05899. Target 4, 0.06955. Target 5, 0.07989. Stop loss. Stop level: 0.01700. Important: remember to move your stop loss to your entry or previous take profit level after reaching any take profit. This helps protect your profits and limit losses if the market turns against you. Entry: enter after a pullback. Risk management. Prudent decision-making and risk management are essential for successful trades. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment capital to spot trading to maximize participation while effectively managing risks. Disclaimer: this analysis is provided for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Do your own research and use a proper risk management strategy before making any trades. There is no guarantee of success in cryptocurrency trading, and you may lose all or part of your investment. We are not liable for any losses you may incur trading with this analysis or any other analysis we provide. Please trade with caution and responsibility.